yes, sir, boss, I represent for Jamaican Chat, baddest channel. I'm here alone in all the dark room.
And a dirty dirt.
And a burly bird.
Early bird. And a hot spot time. A cash spot time.
Yo, early bird. Poverty a dead to me. All this in your face. Book back. Time now wait, but no man.
Wagwan, my people. Bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know we're there with a hot one, my people. So I be gonna just like, share, subscribe on the video, my people. And my people that want hear hot. What for bless up Father God. Thanks to God so we have life. Alright, my people, and the done to the headline. Jahshii bust a big rang bang this morning. I don't know why him do that. But before me jump into the video, my people, go check out the hot one here, my people. Very hot. From Parrable. You understand? Loyalty. Straight loyalty the man I deal. So I'm go check it out, my people. Go and vibe to it. We'll come back, have a conversation. And I'm tell me how you feel about it.
Keep them around them, see them one come yam your food, but man no decent. Keep them around them, see them one come yam your food, but man no decency.
Parrable, my circle. The tune bad, my people. Wanna tell me anything about it in the comment section, as well as mega leave the link for the video here in the description. My people, maybe gonna check out the video. Tell me anything about it in the comment section as well. And guess what? Parrable's tough, you know. But me make you hear out of the artist.
We not mess with people. Money man I meant to buy some more and buy some vehicles.
Hold it right there. Hold it. Parrable's tough, my people. When you go over, check out him YouTube Vivo, My Circle, new tune, at Big Up Yourself Parrable. Anywhere you're there. Alright, my people, we're gonna get in at the meat of this matter here for you. You understand? We're gonna see what go on. As I say, people, is a wrong bang officially. I forget Jahshii. You understand? I wanna say Jahshii this or that, and when I say him gone the next year or whatever, we just make you know say Jahshii big wrong bang. I only can see at the starting of the video, my people, when I said so on, I actually comment and I say Jahshii, where the man them a do on the bed, I tell them to lift up. And then at the end of the video, I see so a man go around and I tell them say yo, we don't need, like, I don't know, but I say every man I get up off my bed. You understand? I gotta drop the full video, my people. You understand? I want to tell me what you think about it. Tell me if I pray too hard, or I just feel like, say, the man them forget them thing together. If you come on live, bro, you don't know. Jamaica, you don't know where stay, bro. You can't have that in the background, brother. You see what I say? You know you gotta go live, look at the man them never have on a shirt, bro, God. You see what I say? So you don't know. You ever just fix up the thing, you see what I G, and get it together. You understand? Some people you don't know, you know, some me feel about this, you know. Jamaican Chat. Wanna tell me what you know think about it. Make you get the comment section active, my people. And alright, yes, I mega jump off, but mega drop the full video. I will really go on. I want to check it out. Tell me if you think you in a situation like that. You understand? Yeah, exactly. So bless up on yourself. Jamaican Chat. I'm out, my people.
And a dirty dirt.
And a burly bird.
Early bird. And a hot spot time. A cash spot time.
Yo, early bird. Poverty a dead to me. All this in your face. Book back. Time now wait, but no man. Yeah, wait till it's too late. Let's set the things from we on, yeah. Time now wait, but no man. Yeah, wait till it's too late.
press.